So this next wee one is a good old Billy Connolly song. He calls it Edelweiss. He says it's about an out-of-work prostitute. Obviously it's nothing to do with that, but anyway, little comedy for us all. Oh, my granny was a cripple in Nashville. This story I tell you is true. One day she went out on her wheelchair, never knowing it had a loose screw. Well, the wheel, it fell off of that wheelchair, friends, and on 3 wheels it trundled away. It trundled right over the edge of a cliff in that old seaside town far away. Oh, dee-oo-la-hee, oo-la-hee, oo-la-hee. Well, the boy who was pushing the wheelchair was a little blind orphan called Joe, who said, oh, where is my granny? And where did that damn wheelchair go? Well, he went off to look for that wheelchair, friends, but his sightless eyes led him astray, and he walked right over the edge of that cliff in an old seaside town far away. Oh, dee-oo-la-hee, oo-la-hee, oo-la-hee. Well, someone, they called for a doctor, and an ambulance too it was called. And the people who lived in the area, well, they cried, oh, how they bawled. Well, friends, of course they came rushing from 2 different ways, and they crashed with a biff and shot over the cliff in that old seaside town far away. Oh, dee-oo-la-hee, oo-la-hee, oo-la-hee. So the people all gathered on the hillside, and they called for brave Father Malone. And he said, well, since we're all gathered, we may as well pray, I suppose. But too many people had gathered, and the edge of the cliff it gave way, and they fell with a wail, and they shot straight to hell, and that old seaside town far away. Oh, dee-oo-la-hee, oo-la-hee, oo-la-hee. Billy Connolly. You can't beat Billy Connolly. I mean,